Jack-up system. This system is an engineering marvel used to raise giant construction platforms or offshore drilling rigs safely above water or on site. The basic principle is very simple, but the effect is incredible. Giant hydraulic-powered legs are fixed to the bottom of the platform. The platform is then pushed upwards step by step on these legs. Tons of weight are lifted in a controlled manner with every millimeter. Shuckbito Fix Plus is a swelling type filling mortar specially developed to provide a safe and leak-proof connection at wall penetrations at building entrances. The product is designed for use in a variety of wall structures in both new construction and renovation projects. These sturdy steel supports provide you with a safe working area for roofing and maintenance work. They are easily adjusted to the roof slope and provide a solid platform for wooden walkways. They are quickly fixed to any roof surface, whether tile, metal, or shingle. At every stage, from foundation excavation to roof cladding, it literally dresses your building in invisible armor. It gets in between concrete, brick, and steel, keeps hot air out and cold air in. With the high-density insulation panels they developed, it both saves energy and makes a difference in sound insulation. This system is so different that you will forget about ordinary ceiling coverings. It instantly adds warmth, acoustic comfort, and modern aesthetics to the space thanks to special felt-based panels. It both has an excellent sound absorption capacity and changes the atmosphere of the room with light effects. It adapts to every design with its color options. Its installation is fast and its maintenance is effortless. Excavation work. Giant excavators and bulldozers enter the field and open the place for the foundation. Then it's time to lay the foundation. Concrete mixers come one after another and pump tons of concrete into the ground. Then it's time for the iron reinforcement, columns and beams to be erected one by one, as if a giant skeleton is being built. Madam Wall Cube Modules. This system allows you to build your own wall without any screws, drills, or construction work, thanks to the special cubes that fit together. The cubes are stacked one on top of the other, locked side by side, and a solid, stable partition emerges. VertiBlock is an innovative concrete block system designed for landscaping and retaining wall projects. It is especially preferred in applications requiring both aesthetics and structural durability. ReadyRock freestanding walls are modular concrete block systems that combine aesthetics and durability. They are ideal for creating both freestanding structures and completing the upper sections of existing retaining walls. Heliosol is an ultra-thin, flexible, and lightweight organic photovoltaic solar film developed by Heliotech GmbH. This innovative product can be easily integrated even on surfaces where conventional solar panels cannot be applied. It is an ideal solution, especially for roofs and facades with low load-bearing capacity, curved surfaces, or applications that do not require drilling. Heliosol is thinner than 2 millimeters and lighter than 2 kilos per square meter. Thanks to these features, it can be easily used on roofs and facades with low load-bearing capacity. Isol Cupolex is an innovative system developed by Pontarolo Engineering for insulated and ventilated floor coverings. This system offers high performance, particularly in terms of humidity control, radon gas prevention, and energy efficiency.
This machine combines raw power with millimeter precision. It lifts, cuts, and shapes heavy-duty materials. And it's not like ordinary machines. It's truly revolutionary in its speed, power, and capabilities. It works with technology that literally bends time when building the skeleton of a building. It accelerates the construction process to the speed of light, completing tasks that would take hours in minutes. Forget everything you know about concrete casting processes. LightCast XT works with a system that completely turns traditional methods upside down. It produces lightweight but ultra-durable structural elements in record time. Shaping, pouring, and assembly processes are combined in a single system, providing incredible speed. This technology is not just any retaining wall. It's a real soil control mechanism. The giant modules interlock seamlessly to form a shield. It resists pressure, prevents soil from shifting, and makes even the most difficult terrain safe. Sloping and unstable surfaces? No longer a problem. This machine is not just a construction tool, it's revolutionary. It expertly shapes, cuts, and fits high-tonnage materials. Monumental takes control of the construction site. Whether steel, concrete, or stone, It processes even the hardest materials with millimeter precision, saving incredible amounts of time and labor. It may seem like a simple structural element, but this thin system is a secret armor that doubles the durability of the walls. Forget about traditional reinforcement methods. Muffer Compact eliminates cracks, collapses, and deformations by reinforcing your walls with millimetric precision. Brandt Goldstein is specially designed to strengthen concrete surfaces, provide a perfect bond, and increase structural integrity. Unlike traditional methods, it eliminates the weak points of the concrete with its fast application and incredible strength. Its specially angled panels transform the roof surface into a giant corridor of light. Moreover, it can be used in any environment and any structure. Installation: this is where things get out of hand. Giant assembly machines place materials weighing tons with millimeter precision. Was a mistake made? The probability is zero, because this system has been developed so expertly that everything works flawlessly during the process. This system transforms surfaces into a marvel of construction. Compared to traditional materials, its installation is incredibly fast and offers excellent results. It is applied by craftsmen with the utmost precision, without the slightest error. Smooth, solid, and truly one of the greatest mysteries of the construction industry. The most striking point is the working principle of Schluter-Raffles. Forget everything you know. This system takes the surfaces it is applied to a completely different level from the standards and ensures that the surface is processed in the most accurate way. You won't believe it when you see it. Orgotherm, which is changing the construction world, is coming to the stage. Unlike traditional systems, everything is now taken to a completely different dimension with this building material. Installation: fast, strong, and flawless. Orgotherm, which provides a great advantage for craftsmen, provides perfect integrity when applied to surfaces and increases durability in the long term. No cracking, no deformation. Here is one of the biggest secrets of the construction sector. This system ensures that the water on the surface is directed perfectly and completely changes all construction processes. Dealing with old methods is a thing of the past. Standard drainage systems are either too low or too high, but the adjustable height paver drain provides a perfect fit thanks to its structure that can be adjusted with millimeter precision. The height can be changed in seconds during installation and is integrated into the surface in the best way. No more cutting, disassembly, and hassle. Struggling with standard applications? It's a thing of the past. General Solar PV offers an extraordinary installation process, unlike old systems. Installation time is minimized while maximum efficiency is achieved. Applications that used to take hours with traditional methods are now completed in minutes. This system, every centimeter of which is meticulously processed, integrates flawlessly even on the most difficult surfaces. Dealing with traditional terrace systems is a thing of the past. Standard methods either become unstable over time or require hours of work during application. But Bara Alu sub-based terrace system completely changes things by offering fast installation and perfect stability. It is installed in seconds and creates an incredibly solid surface. Dealing with traditional edge fixing methods is history. Problems such as crooked alignment, slipping, and dispersion are completely eliminated with plastic edging 58 mm. Thanks to its hard and solid structure, it holds the surface exactly in place and provides maximum stability during assembly. Column installation is now faster than ever. Previously, heavy cranes and hours of work were required, but thanks to column climbers, this process is now completed at incredible speed. This system moves columns with millimeter precision, ensuring perfect positioning regardless of height. Water accumulation on the floors, blocked drainage channels, that's history. DrainBase provides excellent drainage performance by ensuring that water below the surface flows smoothly. What's more, it's incredibly quick to install. Hours of excavation, complicated pipe systems? No need for that. DrainBase is applied directly below the surface and is ready for immediate use. In the past, complex timber joints required hours of manual assembly. But now the secret is out. Spatial timber assemblies completely change traditional construction processes by locking prefabricated modules together with millimeter precision. No measuring errors, no misalignment. Everything is installed flawlessly and ultra-fast. Hours of backfilling work in excavation areas? This is now history. Pakafill dramatically reduces installation time with its lightweight, yet ultra-durable structure. No need to deal with cranes or heavy machinery. It is placed in seconds and is ready for immediate use. Breaks, cracks, floors that wear out over time? Now that's history. IndoorTech FlexBone 2E, with its flexible yet ultra-solid structure, ensures that floors are covered with maximum durability. It fits perfectly on all surfaces and creates a complete integrity the moment it is applied. Forget about traditional insulation methods. This system is revolutionizing the construction process with its incredible lightness and excellent performance. It is now history. Depron insulation sets a completely new standard in the construction world with its super thin but maximum efficiency structure. The giant machines are at work. Steel giants, sandstorms, and tons of concrete. An unprecedented feat of engineering is being built on the US-Mexico border. It's not just a wall, it's a fortress. And here are the stars of the stage. Hydraulic hammers hammer the steel panels without interruption. Special stacking cranes place the giant 9-meter-tall barriers with millimeter precision. Concrete spraying machines stabilize the entire wall in a single blow. Concrete giants are working nonstop on the Gaza border with their steel arms. Israel has launched a nonstop mega operation to build one of the largest security barriers. Underground monster tunnel boring machines are going meters below the borderline, creating a defense line that even war cannot breach. Powerful excavators are digging kilometers of trenches, while hydraulic hammers are hammering giant steel barriers into the ground. Here is one of the greatest battles waged by manpower against nature. The MOSE project was designed to protect Venice against rising sea levels. But this is not just a barrier. It is an engineering marvel rising from the water. The giant steel panels hidden under the sea are designed to withstand the incredible power of the water. When the wave height increases, the hydraulic systems are activated and the 20-meter-long barriers rise to the surface of the water. This isn't just an expansion project, it's one of the world's largest waterway operations. The Panama Canal is the most critical trade route connecting the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. But as ships get bigger, the canal has to get bigger too. And here is the expansion project that will make engineering history. Giant excavators dig miles of new canal beds. High-capacity rock crushers pulverize hard granite and dig giant trenches. Pipe-laying giants build the infrastructure that will move millions of liters of water through the canal. This is not just an airport. It is one of the largest airline operations in the world. Istanbul has embarked on a huge project to compete for the top spot in global aviation. Hundreds of planes, millions of passengers, kilometers of runways. And all of this is being built thanks to incredible machines. Giant excavators dig the foundations of kilometers of runways. High-capacity rock crushers break up the hard ground and move tons of material. Crawler dozers level the huge area, creating the perfect surface for planes to land on. Steel and concrete barriers stretching for kilometers are being built, challenging the most difficult terrain conditions. Along the border, giant machines work nonstop. Tons of materials are being transported and giant panels are being placed with millimeter calculations. Giant excavators are digging trenches stretching for kilometers. Hydraulic hammers are fixing steel piles weighing tons into the ground. Special concrete pouring machines form the unshakable foundation of the barrier. These machines work nonstop 24 hours a day. During World War II, Nazi Germany embarked on an incredible project to protect the coasts of Europe from Allied attacks. Stretching 5,000 kilometers from France to Norway, the Atlantic Wall was built with trenches, gun emplacements, and massive concrete blocks. But how was such a large defensive line built in such a short time? The construction of the Atlantic Wall used crawler cranes, manual crane systems, and specialized lifting equipment to lift the large stones and concrete blocks. In addition, a large amount of manpower, hydraulic jacks, rail transport systems, and inclined ramps were also used to move and place the concrete blocks. A giant 27-kilometer ring 100 meters below the ground. Scientists have built an unprecedented engineering marvel to explore the subatomic world. But how did they place this giant machine underground? Here are the stages of construction of the LHC. Tunnel boring machines bored tunnels that were kilometers long and reinforced them with concrete, while underground dynamite blasted hard rocks. Giant excavators removed millions of cubic meters of soil. Rising in the heart of San Francisco, Chase Center is a magnificent basketball arena built for the Golden State Warriors. But how did such a massive structure come to be completed in such a short time? This is the power of the machines that built Chase Center. Excavators demolished old structures to open up the ground. Crawler dozers began digging the foundation by moving tons of soil. Hydraulic hammers pulverized rock, while cranes lifted giant steel beams into the sky. Built for New York City's busiest train line, Moynihan Train Hall has replaced historic Penn Station as a modern transportation hub. But how did this monumental transformation happen? Here are the marvels of engineering that machines have created. Excavators dug beneath the old post office to expand new platform areas. Hydraulic hammers reinforced the interior of the historic structure to accommodate massive columns. Beam-moving cranes lift the steel roof to make room for giant glass panels to let in natural light.